Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best inverter split system air conditioner you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many inverter split system air conditioner and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each inverter split system air conditioner so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying an inverter split system air conditioner. First, check the energy efficiency rating because higher star ratings mean lower electricity bills and better performance. Next, consider the cooling capacity to match your room size for effective temperature control. Look for inverter technology that adjusts compressor speed to save energy and maintain consistent comfort. Noise level is also important, especially if the unit is for bedrooms or offices. Ensure the air filters provide good air quality and are easy to clean. Compare brand reliability, warranty terms, and after-sales service before making your decision. Lastly, professional installation and regular maintenance help extend the system's lifespan. By keeping these points in mind, you can choose a system that provides both comfort and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips.